Hi, this is Lisa from JoyfullyArt. Going to make you another video today. First off, I want to show you my painting from my last video. Turned out pretty nice. I think once I get it varnished, the colors will come back and they'll be nice and bright. So there's that. So on with the next. I've already flooded my canvas with white. This is a 10 by 20 that I'll be working on today. And I really don't know what it's going to turn out to be. Kind of on the fence of what I'm going to do. So we're just going to have to go with the flow here, I guess. I have all metallic colors today. And they're left over from my previous pours. So I think we're going to do a swipe. And I'll have to get your colors in the description because I don't really remember them right off. So this is Berry, I know that, and I'm not sure who it's by. This is Sapphire. I'm not sure who the company is that makes them. This is Aqua. This is Silver. Maybe it'll be a swipe. Maybe I'll use my hair dryer. I don't know. And this is 14 karat gold. I have all my little swipe tools. I'm not sure about this one. I've never used it before. I'm not sure what I want to do. First off, I'll get that piece of dog hair out, which I always have at least one. There we go. We have a black lab, and she's constantly throwing her hair everywhere. Let me give it a quick torch. I still see some air bubbles. Let's see what this does. Might mess it up completely. I don't know. I'm scared to swipe it. I think it might turn out bad. Could use my hair dryer. Let's try that. Let's get the hair dryer out. Here we go. All right, we're ready now. Except it doesn't work. That could be a problem. Let's try this. Aha! There we go. All right, we're cooking with gas now. Here we go. Oh, that's pretty. That is really kind of pretty. Let me get my little blower out. See where we can touch it up at. I don't think we need to do much to it. It's so pretty this way. I think I'm gonna leave it alone. That is so pretty. I don't think I need to do anything to it. What do you guys, I wish I could get your opinions. Let me give it a torch. See some white that didn't get quite covered. Fix that. I think other than that, we're really good to go here. Corner. Figured out that flashing light. Every time our furnace kicks on, my light bulb flashes. It's quite annoying. I hope everyone is still being safe and staying in their house. I know it's probably getting really boring for everyone, but we want everyone to be safe. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Tell your friends and family about me. Give me a thumbs up. It really helps with my placement on YouTube. And I know this was a short video. I didn't expect it to turn out so beautiful the first go around. There's a close-up for you. That is really nice. Please subscribe. I can really use it. I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to keep making videos for you all. Everything that you'll need to know, my colors, how I mix my paints. If you want to get a hold of me for a commission or anything like that, will be down in the description. So please be safe. And everyone, as always, have a great day.